Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to play The Way I Love You by yaeow. The first chord is D sharp minor, the second chord is C sharp, and the third chord is B, and the fourth chord is F sharp minor. This is how it sounds. Nighttime and coffee, a table for two. Track 15, sunsets got nothing on you. You stare at your phone, girl, I'll stare at it too. 'Cause I've never loved somebody the way I love you. This is how it sounds. So, the first chord is E sharp minor, sorry, D sharp minor, and you have to put your index finger on 6th fret and middle finger on 7th fret, second string, and ring finger on 8th fret, 8th fret, 4th string, and pinky finger on 8th fret, 3rd string. And for C sharp, you have to put a bar on 4th fret and your middle finger on 6th fret, your ring finger on 6th fret, and pinky finger on 6th fret, 4th string, 3rd string, 2nd string. This is how it sounds. And for B, same like this, you have to put your hand as it is like this. And for F sharp minor, for B you have to put your same progression like this on 2nd fret, and for F sharp minor on 2nd fret you have to put your index finger on 2nd fret and middle finger on 3rd fret 2nd string, and ring finger on 4th fret 5th string, and pinky finger on 4th fret 4th string. This is how it sounds. Nighttime and coffee, a table for two. Track 15, sunsets got nothing on you. So guys, अगर वीडियो अच्छी लगी हो तो प्लीज़ लाइक कर देना, कमेंट कर देना और सब्सक्राइब भी कर लो न्यू हो तो चैनल को. थैंक यू सो मच गाइस.